Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Now before us is this beautiful exponential equation, and it reads that 9 raised to 2x plus 1 equals 1 raised to x minus 2 all over 3 raised to x, and we're told to find the value of x. Now whenever you see questions like this, the first thing you need to look at is the basis. Now here you have 9, now here you have 81, now here you have what? 3. Now first of all, take a look at it. If they have you can simplify it to have a common base, and if yes, then you can start with that. And in this case here, yes, because 9 can be reduced to a base of 3, 81 can be reduced to a base of 3, and y3 is already here. So let's get started. Now what we just need to do here, now 9 reduced to a base of 3, we have 3 raised to the power of 2. Then take note to 2x then plus 1 then equals, then 81 will give us 3 raised to 4 then raised to x minus 2 then all over 3 raised to x. Okay, so the next thing we need to look at now is to apply the laws of indices. Now whenever you see cases like this, all you just need to do is to multiply the two exponents, this and this. Okay, so in this case now we just multiply 2 through 2x plus 1. So here we have 3. Now here we have 4x plus 2, because 2 times 2x will give us 4x and 2 times 1 will give us what? 2. So equals, in this case now, 4 times x is 4x and 4 times 2 will give us 8. So here we have 3 raised to 4x then minus 8 then all over 3x. Or now that we've arrived at this point where we now have the same basis, 3, 3, 3. Now let us simplify the right hand side of the equation. Now since we have the same base, okay, at this point all we just need to do that is to apply this law of indices. If you have a raised to the power of m and all over a raised to n, all you just need to do is see a raised to m minus n. Okay, so we'll apply this rule to the right hand side of the equation, and that will give us 3 raised to 4x plus 2 then equals 3 raised to 4x, take away 8, take note, then take away x. Alright, so to this, at this point now, here we now have the same base. We've simplified all this to this point, so we now have the same basis. We now have the same base. All we just need to do is to equate the exponents. So here we have 4x plus 2 equals 4x. Then we can just bring this x here, minus x minus 8. And take note, that's because we then have the same base put on the left and the right hand side of the equation. So we can move forward by simplifying and collecting like terms. So in this case here, 4x, take away x here will give us 3x. Okay, and if we take this 3x over to the left hand side, you have 4x, take away 3x, then equals, here we are left with negative 8. Now bringing positive 2 to the right hand side, that will give us negative 2. So here we are that x then equals negative 10. Final answer. So the value of x that satisfies this exponential equation is negative 10. Thank you, and please don't forget to share this video with others, like my page, and follow me for more updates. Thank you, and remain blessed. Bye bye.